Hello everyone, my name is Cyber, and this is my submission for the Bitcoin 2025 official hackathon. I'm here to introduce you to Darkwire. My belief is simple. The internet is optional. Freedom isn't. In a world where speech feels increasingly throttled and our money is under constant surveillance, I see Darkwire not as a revolution, but as a necessary response. I've been inspired by stories, like the priest in Zimbabwe who used Bitcoin to bravely dodge hyperinflation. No banks, no middlemen, just survival. It was a parallel system built purely out of necessity, not ideology. And in China, I witnessed a developer embedding messages within Ethereum, exposing corporate control and surveillance through raw data on-chain. Truth smuggled in code when other avenues were blocked. But I realized something critical. All of these vital actions hinge on two fragile things: electricity and the internet. Kill the grid, block the web, and the chain dies quietly. That's the critical gap I built Darkwire to close. It operates with no Wi-Fi, no satellites, just encrypted packets bouncing through LoRa radios. Your message is signed, fragmented, and hops from node to node, phone to balloon, buoy to rooftop box, until it lands. There's no ISP, no carrier, and no central off switch that anyone can flip. I designed it not to be flashy or for headlines. It just works. Darkwire currently has two modes of operation: one for Bitcoin transactions and one for sending simple text messages or short tweets of a sort. The initial Bitcoin functionality requires you to manually update your UTXOs, but I am actively planning on adding this automation via our LoRa network as well. Darkwire is completely open source and free for everyone to use. The hardware is deliberately super cheap and is built with resourceful design principles in mind. Here, I'd like to show you a demo of the Darkwire prototype working. Here's where I was testing two Darkwire nodes. The distance is approximately 100 to 110 meters. On the other side is the transmitter node trying to send a Bitcoin transaction and a message. Moving on to the screen recordings of both the nodes, note that you can place intermediary nodes as well to increase the range. For the sake of physical testing and a short distance, I've used two nodes only. On the transmitter node, the wallet is first loaded by the Darkwire client. A transaction is generated and sent via the Darkwire node. On the receiver node, any program can be used to listen to serial output from the node, for example the Arduino IDE or a custom Python script. The transaction is sent via multiple packets if too big, over long-range radio LoRa, and the receiver prints it successfully. This transaction takes place without the internet. And in this example, we will be sending a simple text message about the confirmed payment. The machines in the demo are more than 100 meters apart. I hope this video successfully explained how Darkwire works and why it was made. With successful field trials and a robust open source framework, I aim for Darkwire to become the industry standard in off-grid comms, supporting not only Bitcoin but Ethereum and Monero as well. I hope this video helped you understand how Darkwire works and the problems it aims to solve. I also hope Darkwire helps at least one journalist or whistleblower get the truth out. Because the internet is optional, freedom isn't.